Hey guys, so today this is one of the new cars we have in stock. It is a 2016 Land Cruiser Prado. It is actually one of the most popular cars here in Japan as well as abroad. Fun fact actually, this car is one of the cars that gets stolen the most here in Japan. That's how much people like it. So today we're going to show you around, show you some of the features that it has and why is it sought after. So thank you for joining us. I hope you guys like it. Alright guys, so we're gonna take the car for a little drive around the yard just so that we can, actually get a feeling for the car. As we mentioned earlier, in one of our videos, we like to do this so that we can actually give you our opinion, our first-hand opinion on the car. So, as you can see, I'm driving on uneven terrain, which is, good to test out a car like this. The suspension feels pretty good. It's in good shape. The handling also. As you can see, I am driving around some tight spaces here, and the car handles really well. The brakes are also, the braking system is in good shape. So, that's of course it's a fairly new car, so we expect it to be in good shape. Now the engine, this car comes with a 2700cc engine, VVTi. Gasoline engine, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive of course. So overall I think it feels really good. It is a car that's in very good shape. So I'm sure whoever gets to own this car is going to be very, very happy. If you're interested in it, let us know. We'll give you all the information you need. Alright guys, so now let's take a look at the interior of the car. So we're in the front row right now. First things first, of course, you've got your controllers right there. You've got your screen, AC controllers. Cool thing, if you have kids back there, you can always see them there. Make sure they're behaving. You got your shift and etc. here. Cool thing about this one though, right here you've got a USB plug and an HDMI plug. So in case you want some entertainment, you can go ahead and set up a little screen here. You got your power 12-volt plug right there as well. So that's the first row. Alright, so now we're in the middle row. So you can sit about 3 people comfortably here. You've got your AC right there so it doesn't get too hot. Got another power plug right there. 3 people I think can sit quite comfortably here. And then you've got, of course, one more row. And that's the third row. Now, this row, although it is there, as you can see it, honestly, it is a bit uncomfortable. Unless you are much smaller than I am, which, in all fairness, probably you are. But, in that case, I think it would be quite comfortable. Otherwise, it is a bit narrow. It is a bit uncomfortable. Okay, now we're in the back of the car. And let me just show you. I want to show you the space this car has. As you saw, the third row of seats can be a bit narrow. So this car is actually very spacious. If you go ahead and put these down. Look at all that space. It is a very spacious car. So overall, this car is actually very serviceable. And all of these things kind of show why this car is actually so sought after by so many people. As I mentioned earlier, it is one of the cars that gets stolen the most here in Japan. That's how much people like it. So if you're interested, if you want to know anything else about this car, please let us know. Leave us any messages, comments, etc. Any feedback is welcome. Thank you for joining us.